अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। मैं हूं मोहम्मद ताहिर और आप लोग देख रहे हैं बियोलॉजिकल पॉइंट विद दैर साहब की। आज बियोलॉजी के एक और लेक्चर के साथ मैं आप लोगों की खिदमत में हाजिर हुआ हूं और आज का जो डिस्कशन पॉइंट है वो है ह्यूमन बॉडी सिस्टम। हम इस लेक्चर में ह्यूमन बॉडी के डिफरेंट जो सिस्टम्स हैं, डिफरेंट मैकेनिज्म्स हैं, उनको समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। उनके बेसिक ग्राउंड्स लेवल पे बात करेंगे और उनके जो बेसिक फंक्शनल पार्ट्स हैं उनको डिस्कस करेंगे। और अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो आप लोगों को मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर देना चाहिए ताकि इस तरह की इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस आप तक पहुंचती रहें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हम अपने लेक्चर को और इसमें हम देखते हैं कि किस तरह से ह्यूमन बॉडी डिफरेंट सिस्टम्स कंटेन करती है, डिफरेंट सिस्टम्स के ऊपर मुश्तमिल है। सो आवर टॉपिक इज ह्यूमन बॉडी सिस्टम। We can see here different type of body system like nervous system, muscular systems, and skeletal system. So let's move toward the human body system. It's like a very balanced life. In human, all the performance, all the mechanism work on a dynamic equilibrium level. All the group of cells perform efficiency. They show efficiency. They properly work to maintain the body. We can say level of organization to understand the different mechanism of different systems of human body. In multicellular organism, the levels are multicellular organism different. We can say multi. A large number of cells are present in living organisms. Cells combine to form tissues, tissues combine to form organs, and organ combine to form organ system, and at the end, organ systems combine to form a properly organs. Or we can say organism. What is tissue? Tissue, a group of cells, similar cells that perform same function. In the other sense, organ group of tissue that work together to perform complex function. We can say it's a complexity. We move toward the complexity from simple to complex. And the next is organ system, group of organs that perform closely related functions. Like that, we discuss about different organ systems in human being. The very first is nervous system, then respiratory systems, digestive system, skeletal systems, muscular systems, circulatory systems, excretory systems, endocrine systems, lymphatic system, or we can say immune system, and reproductive systems. There are different systems are present in human body to perform the functions to maintain their life, or we can see body system perform different function. Although each of 10 organ systems have a different set of functions, they perform work together as a whole to maintain homeostasis. We can see here body temperature, like we can say muscular systems to maintain the activities of different parts of body, nervous system to coordinating, and brain, and a lot of things about that we completely discuss in next upcoming videos. In nervous systems, what is nervous system? We must need to know that. What is nervous system? The nervous system control and coordinate functions throughout the body in response to internal and external stimuli. Nearly all multicellular organisms have communication systems like specialized cell carry message from one cells to another cells. We must need to know that nervous systems, it is a mechanism in which different messages, different information carries from one part of body to another part of body. We can say it is a system that interconnect totally all the parts of body with a center, with a compact system, with a single point that decide what to do for survival. Smooth and efficient communication system of the body, that is only a nervous system. Nervous system, we can say nervous system in human body, it's so developed and other as compared to other organisms. Messages carried by nervous systems are electrical signal called impulses. In human body, the messages transfer from one part of body to another part of body through electrical signals. Yes, electrical signals, that's called impulses. Cells that transmit these impulses are called neurons, basic unit of nervous system. There are three types of neurons like sensory neurons, motor neurons, and interneurons. In upcoming slides, we completely elaborate these three types of neurons. We must need to know the neurons types. What is sensory neuron? Carry impulses from sensory organ like eyes, ears, skins to spinal cord and brain. We can say it is a type of neuron that collect messages from environments, or we can say on the outer portion of body. The second one is motor neuron, carry impulses from the brain and spinal cord to muscles and glands. We can say that motor neurons are the type of neuron that transfer messages, transfer impulses from deciding center. We can say brain, we can say spinal cord toward the effectors like muscles, like glands. Interneuron connect sensory and motor neurons, carry impulses between them. We can say interneuron is the deciding center point that decide what to do in response of stimuli that carried by sensory neurons. Parts of neurons. Here we'll discuss about parts of neurons. There are three main parts of neurons like cell body. Large part contain nucleus and most of cytoplasm. Most metabolic activities occur here. Dendrites, short branch extensions that carry impulses from environments to other neurons toward the cell body. We can say it is part of neuron that carry information, that carry messages from environments, or we can say from other neurons toward the cell body. It is main key point to memorize the dendrites function. Neurons can have several dendrites, and the third part of neuron is axon, long fiber which carry impulses away from the cell body, and in axon terminal, located at a distance away from cell body. Neuron only have one axon. We can see myelin sheath, insulating membrane surrounding the axon that is present on axonal only. Here, a pictorial view of neuron and complete part of their body, like dendrites are mentioned here. We can see dendrites are carry message toward the cell body. Here is a cell body. It contains nucleus and a lot of other things that we can see all the reactions, all the mechanism are present in these parts of neuron. And the next one is axon. We can see here a long fiber-like body that move away from cell body. We can say it is responsible to carry away from cell body. At the end, we see a lot of lobes like structure that are responsible to transfer messages from one neuron to another neuron. I hope so you understand the basic concepts about nervous system. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss about some basic concepts about remaining nervous system. I hope so you can understand easily. If any question or query about my lecture or any point, must come in comment box and ask question.